Big production.
Yo, we're gonna break down Arkk here. I've kind of been going over a few stocks that like you've probably seen if you're like someone who actually watches my channel, and you'll notice that a lot of these stocks I go over are pretty repetitive, like the Arkks, the Galaxies, the PLTRs, Amazons, Teslas, right? And then like the overall market type of stuff. If you want to see like more stocks, just comment in the comment section. Just leave a message being like, hey, like check this out for me or something. I'll gladly do a video for you. So we'll get into this. Arkk is so cute right now. Like, yo, Arkk is mad cute right now. Are you dumb? Honestly, like this is I think this is such a good long-term play. Like, I want to get Arkk shares. It's tough because it's like I'm busy with figuring out the down payment, making sure everything's in order for that. I'm trying to figure out, I want to be like dollar cost averaging at a decent rate with Bitcoin and Galaxy and Amazon. And now I'm like, fuck, man, I want Arkk too now. It's like, there's so many things. It's tough, especially when you're like kind of re-establishing this. Like I took a bunch of my money out of the market, like it was like mid-January, because of this condo that I purchased, right? So now I'm kind of trying to regain my fundamental basis here of like my investment account. So it's pretty interesting to see all this opportunity and wanting to play like absolutely everything. Maybe I'll have to take a loan out and like go long on some Arkk. But right now the levels we're at is back in like 2018, right? So there was a huge zone here where we were developing a large base, and we get this massive push. Now this was obviously a little bit way too much. We went like a few 100%, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we went like 364% from March 2020 lows to the very high, right? And now we're right back into that range, and I don't think we're going to be here for too long, just because it was clear that this was an area of accumulation over 2 years from 2018 to 2020. And then we get that huge reaction, a little bit too much because of like just the monetary easing and then money being pumped into the markets, right? So we come back to these levels, and like honestly, I don't think it's going to last much longer in this range. And now that I'm starting to look here, right, and starting to see potentially we could be getting maybe some sort of pattern developing like this, where we might see an inverse head and shoulders develop on this time frame, right? The weekly time frame, where there's a left shoulder, we get this head here. Now, what we're looking for is if we come up to this trend line and then we create that right shoulder looking something like this, dude, that would be so cute, dude. Are you dumb? Like that would be mad cute. Like, I like Arkk. I'm thinking $60 options for 2023. Like, yo, that's a play. I think that's low-key a play. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. Arkk is definitely like one of the babies on this channel, and we'll be like keeping a close eye on it in the next few weeks, just to see like, hey, is that really gonna play out? Peace, guys. That's the breakdown for this week on Arkk.